Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Baat Pategi. I am Deepa and today I have come here to share a very happy news with all of you. Sadhguru again have announced to distribute millions of Rudraksh this year 2022, and for all those people who have missed the opportunity last year, now they can utilize this year and receive the Rudraksh Diksha. So in last year 2021, many people have missed the opportunity and some people have not received the Rudraksh, or some people might be awaiting, because last year when I did the unboxing of Rudraksh Diksha, I received many people have commented and said that they also want the Rudraksh, but by that time the registration time was over. So now by luck again there is another opportunity and you can quickly register for the Rudraksh Diksha. And so in today's video, I will explain each and every step how you can register for the Rudraksh Diksha 2022. So for this time, Rudraksh Diksha is open for the new participants. So for all the participants who have already registered for the Rudraksh Diksha last year will not be able to receive it now. So get yourself registered for the Rudraksh Diksha as soon as possible, because the distribution will be done on the basis of first come, first serve. Now this year also in 2022, on 1st of March, Sadhguru again will be consecrating or energizing the millions of Rudraksh on the night of Shivratri, and the same Rudraksh will be distributed then forth. And it may take up to 4 to 8 weeks to get it delivered to your home. Now get your mobiles or laptops to start the registration process. To register for the Rudraksh Diksha, we need to go to the link isha.co.rd. Or else you can also visit to the site mahashivratri.org. You can also Google Rudraksh Diksha 2022. I will also give you the link in the description box where you can reach the same page. Now we have visited the page Rudraksh Diksha, Shiva's Tears of Ecstasy. And now you can click the button Receive for free. And this link is only for the first time registrants only. Those who have already registered for the before this year, now they are not able to register this time. And now by clicking on this button, you will see this page. Now let's start the registration process. So there are total 4 steps and you can opt for 3 Rudraksh at a time. The other 2 Rudraksh you can give to your friends or family. And here you can fill your name and your email address and the correct delivery address, the pin code and all the things. You must fill it correct, and then the mobile number. The mobile number must be mentioned here so that you can get the OTP verification over here. And you can also give your WhatsApp number, and if the number is same, you can click on same as mobile number. Here the WhatsApp number can be written. Now click the 2 buttons, agree to terms and conditions. And after that, click the button confirm and get OTP. When you click on the button confirm and get OTP, you will receive an OTP on your mobile number which you have given or mentioned. Now you will receive an OTP to the number you have given and confirm the OTP. Now the page will appear where you will see your registration is successful. And in the next step, you can donate as your wish. Now the registration process is complete, and don't forget to attend the big celebration on 1st of March, Mahashivratri celebration. All of you please attend this program. You may also attend the live stream on YouTube, or you may register for the same, or you may also go to the Isha Yoga Center to attend the same. The celebration will be throughout night on the Mahashivratri from 6 PM onwards till the morning 6 AM. It will be live stream and I will give you the link also in the description box. During the same celebration, Sadhguru will be energizing or consecrating the millions of Rudraksh, and the same will be distributed from the next day onwards to all of you. And along with Rudraksh, you will receive an Abhay Sutra that we have to tie around our wrist, a thread for the Rudraksh, and Vibhuti, and also an Adi Yogi picture or photo. So after you receive your Rudraksh, you must do the conditioning of the Rudraksh, and the total process you can see in another video of mine, and after that you can wear your Rudraksh. Once every one of us will receive the Rudraksh, Then Sadhguru will plan to do a Rudraksh initiation for all of us. So hope you like this video. So for more information you may subscribe to my channel and receive more information or more videos related to the topic. If you have any queries, you may comment in the comment box. Till the next video, take care, be happy, bye bye.